Have you ever wondered why we sometimes feel repelled by nice people? It sounds absurd, doesn't it? Yet, it's a paradox we've all likely encountered at some point. This isn't a mere social hiccup, but a fascinating psychological puzzle that has intrigued minds for years. You see, generally, we're drawn to kindness, empathy, and generosity, the hallmarks of niceness. But occasionally, these very qualities can trigger a sense of unease, even aversion. It's as if our brains are playing a cruel joke on us, making us question our instincts and challenge our perceptions. So, what's really happening beneath the surface? Is there a hidden layer of complexity to this seemingly straightforward interaction? Or perhaps it's a reflection of our own insecurities and biases? One thing is for sure, this phenomenon is far from simple, and understanding it requires delving into the depths of human psychology and social behavior. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's delve deeper into this peculiar psychological phenomenon. First, we need to understand what exactly we mean by nice. In the realm of psychology, niceness isn't just about being friendly or polite. It's a complex trait, interwoven with many aspects of our personality and behavior. Let's delve a bit deeper. From a psychological perspective, niceness often implies being agreeable. Agreeableness is one of the big 5 personality traits in psychology, along with openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, and neuroticism. People with high agreeableness are usually cooperative, considerate, and kind to others. They're the ones who are always ready to lend a helping hand, or to go that extra mile to maintain harmony. Niceness is also often associated with being accommodating. Accommodating individuals tend to be flexible, adaptable, and eager to please. They are the ones who are more likely to compromise, to put others' needs before their own, and to avoid conflict at all costs. They are the peacemakers, the mediators, the ones who smooth over the rough edges in social interactions. Moreover, niceness can be tied to non-confrontational behavior. Non-confrontational individuals are those who shy away from direct conflict or disagreement. They prefer to keep the peace, even if it means suppressing their own feelings or opinions. They are the ones who are more likely to agree with others, even when they don't necessarily share the same viewpoint, just to avoid causing upset or discord. But here's the kicker. While these traits may sound admirable and many of us may aspire to be seen as nice, they can sometimes lead to less positive perceptions. The overly agreeable, the excessively accommodating, the perennially non-confrontational, they may come across as insincere, as pushovers, or as lacking in self-confidence. So, with this understanding of niceness, why might we feel repelled by nice people? Now, let's explore the psychological reasons behind our aversion to niceness. Our brains are complex and fascinating, and they play a huge role in shaping our perceptions and reactions. One of the primary reasons we might find ourselves put off by overly nice individuals is suspicion of ulterior motives. We live in a world where deception and manipulation are unfortunately common, and our brains are hardwired to protect us from potential harm. When someone is excessively nice, our subconscious alarm bells start ringing. We begin to wonder, what's the catch, or what do they want? This suspicion can lead us to distance ourselves from these individuals. Another factor that can make nice people seem less appealing is the perceived lack of authenticity. Authenticity is a highly valued trait in today's society. We appreciate people who are genuine, who show their true selves, flaws and all. When someone is always nice, never showing any negative emotions or reactions, we tend to perceive them as fake or insincere. We question their authenticity, making it difficult to trust or connect with them. Thirdly, our discomfort with vulnerability can also contribute to our aversion to niceness. When people are kind towards us, it can make us feel vulnerable. It's easier to maintain emotional walls and keep people at a distance. When someone is nice to us, it challenges these walls. And that can be uncomfortable. It's a defense mechanism, a way to protect ourselves from potential emotional harm. Lastly, we might associate niceness with weakness or passivity. In a society that often values assertiveness and strength, niceness can be viewed as a lack of these qualities. This perception can lead us to undervalue or dismiss nice individuals. As we can see, our reactions to nice people are complex and multifaceted. They're shaped by a variety of psychological factors, from our innate desire to protect ourselves from potential harm to societal values and expectations. But understanding these factors can help us navigate our relationships more effectively and empathetically. Our personal experiences and biases also play a significant role in this phenomenon. Let's break it down. Imagine having a past experience with someone who appeared nice at first, but later turned out to be manipulative or untrustworthy. This experience can leave a lasting imprint on our minds, influencing our reactions to other nice people we encounter. It's like a defense mechanism our brain creates to protect us from getting hurt again. Now let's talk about biases. You may have heard of the halo effect, a cognitive bias where our overall impression of a person influences how we feel and think about their character. It's like putting on rose-colored glasses. When someone is too nice, it can trigger this bias, leading us to question their authenticity. We must remember that our personal experiences and biases are just that, personal. They are not universal truths. Our past shapes our present, even in our reactions to nice people. So, to summarize, our repulsion towards nice people can stem from a variety of psychological factors. We've explored the complex paradox of niceness, and how it can sometimes lead to feelings of unease or even repulsion. It's essential to understand that it's not the act of being nice itself that triggers this response. Rather, it's the underlying psychological elements at play, such as our personal experiences and biases, that shape our reactions. We've also delved into the role of personal experiences, acknowledging how they can color our perceptions. Past encounters with nice individuals who turned out to be otherwise can lead us to associate niceness with deceit, causing a repulsion towards seemingly nice people. It's a fascinating journey into human psychology, and it's a reminder that our feelings and reactions are often more complicated than they appear on the surface. Remember, it's okay to question and explore our feelings. It's all part of being human. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay curious and keep exploring.